Hi everyone, Anita FUNITA here. How is everybody? I hope good. First, I want to thank everybody who's been subscribed, who's been watching, who's been doing the thumbs up. I appreciate you. Let me get comfortable in this chair. My son is home today and he's actually playing with his car right now. You might hear some car noises because he keeps turning it off and on. Please don't mind that. Oh my God, this chair is getting so uncomfortable. Okay. So I want to show you something. I have a San Francisco jar today. My sister brought one from San Francisco when she went on her trip, and yeah. So and they are $10. The jars over there. It looks like a lot of bangles from what I can see, but you know, $10 is really good. Even if I find 10 items in here that are not broken, I'm happy. And I want to start, before I open the jar, I want to tell you something. I was watching Princess Casserole's video today, and I want to show you something. I have this rosary that I purchased a few weeks ago, and it's very, very tarnished. Like, not, I'm saying tarnished. The tarnish is gone. I tried to wash it, and look what happened to it. So it lost all of its good tarnish, and you know, I had been holding on to it because I didn't know what to do with it because I thought it was ruined. Apparently it's not. So she had a video today on how to put the tarnish back in. So I wanted to show you what this looks like, and I'm going to try her method right now. And if you haven't seen it, please go ahead and watch. Her YouTube channel name is Princess Casserole, and most of you are probably already subscribed, but please go see that video. I'm going to put her link in so you can see it. And I'm going to, as I'm opening the jar, I'm going to put this in to that. I'm not going to tell you the secret. I'm going to put it in and wait and see what happens while we're doing the jar. But please go ahead and watch that because you know that's amazing. I've ruined so many pieces that and I've sold them like that for low prices because I thought they were ruined, but I had no idea that you can fix it, and there's a way that you can put tarnish back onto pieces. So I'm going to put that in that right now. Just give me a second. Okay, I put that to sit, and as that's sitting, we're going to open the jar. Okay, so come on, San Francisco. Let's see. So, you know, $10, you know, I'm going to be happy if I get anything out of there that's not broken. Because you know what jewelry's been coming out of the Goodwill jars here, you know, all broken and, you know, pieces that are not usable. And, you know, they're just like putting things that aren't even jewelry in there. So I don't know what they're doing. But anyway, let's just hope this is a pretty good one. Okay. Okay, so as I said, it's $9.99, which you can't go wrong with $9.99, you know. Even if it's all bad, it's okay. It's not that much of a loss. So I have this yellow plastic, really cool bangle with nice grooves in it. It's a nice piece, older piece, and I guess they had put it in for $1.99 to sell before, and they did. I guess these are stuff that they tried to sell and then made a jar. Okay, so I really like this, and I love the color yellow. It's a little bit dirty. It's not dirty. It just needs to be washed. It has like little well, maybe somebody wore it to the beach because it looks like it has sand in it. But this will clean up nicely, and I really like this because it's yellow. Okay, so this was good. Okay, and we have another bangle, and this one's kind of like a orangish, amber looking color. Also in really good condition. I really like this one too. And I like plastic bangles, so yeah. Okay, so two good items so far. And we have a cross with really cute stones on here, and it looks like an enhancer because it has the little magnet in the back. I don't see any markings, but it seems to be in pretty good condition, and it looks like somebody made it because these beads have holes on the top and on the sides, so somebody used I guess glue and pearls and beads and, you know, embellishments, and they probably made this themselves, which I really like it. It's pretty. Okay, and we have, it says movement here, and really nice tassel olive color earrings around the tag. And what does it say here? Not intended for children under 14. Okay, so these are pretty cute. And have some tangles here. That's pretty cute. It's nice. It's a cute necklace on here, and it looks to be in great condition. And it has some kind of, yes, these are really cool. So they are gemstones. Oh, sorry, I thought my son opened the door. Okay, these are cute little gemstones on here, and it's on a silver chain. So this is really cute too. So I like this. And what else do we have here? That's pretty. They tried to sell it for $2.99, which is still a good price. And it's all beaded, and it has some kind of like eagle picture on here that they made, and little, that's really cool. Oh my god, I just noticed on the inside that it has leather on the inside, and it looks like it's hand sewn. So this is a handmade piece. So really nice. I like this. Very pretty. Okay. And more bangles. Guess there's a lot of bangles in San Francisco, huh? This is cute. Really pretty. Two purple ones, one pink shiny one here, and another pink one. And it's in the inside, it's rose gold. So that's pretty cute. And let me see if there's any markings. No markings, but they did put this one for $4.99. So yeah, it's pretty. Not bad. And we have a cuff here, and it has some kind of looks like a jade in here. That's cute too. And I don't see any markings, and I'm not sure what this is made of, but it's really cute. So let's see how it looks on. Nice. Not bad. It's pretty. Okay. And we have some kind of I don't know what this is. Is it a watch? Oh, it's working. I guess it is a watch. And it says Giants on it. And what does this say? Ever good? Yeah, ever good. And yeah, and it's working. So I guess it's a watch. It's pretty cute. Okay. So I'll put that aside. And we have another bangle, and this one kind of looks like a python, a snake kind of looking design in here, and it looks like it's plastic or lucite. I'm not sure which, but it's pretty. It has kind of like a square shape, and it's in really good condition. So yeah, another good piece. Okay, what's this? Okay, we have a necklace here, very pretty, antique gold. They put it here for $6.99, and it has a tag. It's AEO, so it's American Eagle Outfitters. It's really cute. It's a really good brand. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Not bad. So far nothing broken. That's really cool. It looks like it's wood. No, it's not wood. It's either plastic or I'm not sure what it's made of, and it has this really cool, it's not burned, but it looks like it's you know, kind of like it has like the round burnings on it, but it's not burned. So it's just a design all around it. Oh my god, it's so cute. On this side there's more. That's pretty. I like this. Okay. And they tried to sell it for $3.99. And we have a bracelet here. Has some kind of writing on it, and of course I don't have my magnifier here, but I will read. I'll put it here and I'll read it. I'll stop the video and I'll read it. And that's pretty. Really cute. It has abalone and different inlaid shells in here, and that's cute. It's a necklace, so really nice. I don't know if you can see it. All of it. That's pretty, and it has a button clasp here, so it's pretty cool. $6.99 they tried to sell it for. So yeah, that's pretty nice, and it's not broken or anything. So yeah, what else? Oh. I don't like stuff like this, so it's okay. It's a necklace, and oh, look, it has birds. I like birds. It has wooden carved birds on here, and it's made out of, I guess, wood pieces, multiple strands. I don't know if any of them are broken. I have to check, but they tried to sell this one for $5.99. So it's still a good piece. Oh, it has seashells too. So yeah, that's pretty. Okay, and we have a choker. Was $3.99, and that's pretty cute. It's not bad. It's a little. They usually have bracelets like this too. So this one is like the choker. It's cute. It's kind of like reddish tone beads on here. So what else? Okay, we have a shell neck bracelet, stretchy. I guess they have stretchies there too. What abalone shells. And this one they tried to sell for $4.99, and the stretch is really good. So yeah, it's pretty cute. So what else? Not a lot of things, but okay. Oh, but it is $10. Okay. Claire's, $3.99. Oh, they're little enamel guitars. So cute. Little enamel guitars, and this was for $7.50 at Claire's. So, and they are all on there, and they're all clean, and they all have the backs. So that's pretty nice. My daughter might want this because she wears these little tiny earrings, and she has a lot of holes on her ear. So I don't know about the guitars, but I'll ask her if she wants that. And we have, again, one of my viewers did write what this is. I have a really large piece that I have in my room right now of the same whatever material this is. So another one I have, multi-strand here made out of some kind of rope. It's cute. Okay. So oh, we have a few more bangles. Okay, a bracelet here with little embellishments on here, and they stretch. And my son just took one of the bracelets. Oh, it has a little tag on here, so $5.99. Let's take it off and see where. Okay, there he goes. And this is from Claire's too, and they were selling it for $7. So, and it still has the tag, so and it's in pretty good condition. So that's pretty. Another bangle in a kind of like a snake print on here. They tried to sell this one for $4.99, and it looks to be brand new. So really cool. Not bad. I like it. It's in a blue color tone. And there's one more item. Okay, we have some kind of straw bangle here, and it looks to be handmade, and they tried to list it for $4.99, and it's in pretty good condition. Not bad. It's pretty good. Okay, so all of these were oh, noisy kid. Okay. Okay, so all of these were for $10, and I got oh my god, loud. Tigran, go play with your toys over there. Okay. So we got a lot of really good condition bangles and some handmade pieces and some really nice shells, and you know, and now he's laughing. Okay, so I'm really happy with this jar. Really, really happy. All of these items I might actually use myself. So these are all... He's laughing. I don't know if he's laughing at me, but okay. Anyway, all of these are usable items, and I'm really, really happy with this jar, and I'm so happy that I got more than 10 items that were not broken. So $10 is well worth it. I'm going to put you on hold for a second and go see what happened to the tarnish on the rosary, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so you know the piece that I was doing trying to get the tarnish back on? Oh my god, unbelievable. Look at this. It's all back on. It's all tarnished again, and it's amazing. Look at even on the piece, the middle piece. Look at that. Oh my god, this is great. Look how tarnished this is right now. I love it that, you know, it's right now it's back to where it was before I washed it. So this is great. So I'm gonna put the link on there for you of that video. If you sell jewelry, buy jewelry, and especially clean jewelry and ruined jewelry, you should know how to do this, and it's from household products and very, very apparently working. So yeah, thank you again, Carla, for saving the rosary and for that video. It's amazing. Thank you so much. And I hope you all had fun and enjoyed this video. I do have another San Francisco jar that I'll be doing tomorrow, so you might want to keep your eye out for that. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Thank you for watching. I keep hitting my hands. Sorry, I'm just having a really good day. And yes, thank you all very much. I hope you had as much fun as I did. This is Anita FUNITA saying goodbye.